Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to English lesson with me, Miss Ike. Okay, in this video, we will discuss about text information report for 9th grade junior high school. Okay everyone, let's study together. Before that, I will tell you about what we will learn from the report text. Okay, for the first is we will learn about the definition of report text. The second is the social function of report text. And the third is generic structure of report text. And the fourth is language feature in the report text. And the last is the differences of report text and descriptive text. Okay, for the first topic is about the definition of report text. The definition of report text is a text which presents information about something as it is. It is a result of systematic observation and analysis. Jadi, report text ini adalah sebuah teks yang menghadirkan informasi tentang suatu hal dengan apa adanya. Adalah sebagai hasil dari observasi dan analisa secara sistematis. Report teks ini termasuk dalam jenis teks yang bertujuan untuk memberikan informasi yang objektif tentang fakta apa saja yang ada tentang suatu objek, tanpa melibatkan pandangan subjektif penulis atau pembicara. Objek biasanya dideskripsikan berdasarkan tipenya dan kemudian dijelaskan karakteristiknya. Social function of report text. The purpose of a report text is to present information about something generally. It generally describes the way things are with reference to a range of natural, man-made, and social phenomena in our environment, such as mammals, the planet, rock, plants, country of a region, culture, transportation, and so on. Jadi tujuan dari report text ini untuk menyajikan informasi tentang sesuatu secara umum, kayak seperti budaya, transportasi, tumbuhan, bencana alam atau sebagainya that is easy to describe. And then the generic structure report text. For the generic structure report text is divided by two. For the first is the general classification and the second is description. Okay, for the general classification, a general classification is a part that states classification of general aspect of things such as animals, public place, plant, and etc. It will be discussed in general. Jadi general classification ini menunjukkan tema atau satu hal yang akan dibahas secara umum. Usually biasanya ya, the general classification ini selalu always in the first paragraph of report text. The second of the generic structure report text is description. What is the definition of the description? This part gives describing of the things which we'll discuss in detail. Example for the parts or the function, the qualities, the habits, and behavior. Contohnya, kita mau menganalisa sebuah text report yang berjudul tentang tsunami. So that in this first paragraph is the general classification, and the next paragraph is description. Di dalam paragraf deskripsi ini biasanya memberikan gambaran fenomena-fenomena yang akan terjadi baik bagian-bagiannya, sifat-sifatnya, kebiasaannya, ataupun tingkah lakunya. Intinya adalah penjabaran dari klasifikasi yang disajikan dengan secara ilmiah. Contoh kalau di hewan berarti seperti habitnya kayak apa, kebiasaan, sifat-sifatnya, bentuk tubuhnya seperti itu. The next topics is the language feature in the report text. Jadi apa saja sih tata bahasa yang ada di dalam text report? Okay. For the first is using general nouns such as reptile in Komodo Island. Jadi itu penggunaan kata benda umum, misalnya komodo atau misalnya anjing pemburu daripada kata benda tertentu gitu. Yang keduanya, use of relating verbs to describe features. Nah, penggunaan kata kerja terkait untuk mendeskripsikannya. Nah, contohnya seperti reptiles are a circle animal. Jadi this feature applies to all reptiles. Yang ketiga, using action verb to describe behavior. For example, lizard cannot fly. Jadi menunjukkan kata kerja aksi yang menunjukkan kata aksi yang menggambarkan tentang perilakunya. Then using the present tense to express something general. For example, dragons usually weigh more than 1,160 kilo, like that. And then using technical terms or technical scientific terms. For example, water contains oxygen and hydrogen. And then declarative and interrogative sentence in simple present tense and passive voice. Use of paragraph with topic sentence to organize bundles of information. Repeated naming of the topic as the beginning focus of the clause. Okay, the last topic is about the differences of report text and descriptive. As we know that report text and descriptive text have similarities, namely describing something. Jadi antara report text dan descriptive text ini sama-sama menggambarkan tentang sesuatu. And the difference is that the report text explains something in general, while the descriptive text describes something in particular. Jadi kalau report text ini menjelaskan sesuatu secara umum, sedangkan descriptive text itu menjelaskan sesuatu secara khusus. The report text contains a series of facts based on scientific research, and the results are present to the general public. Itu kalau ini udah seperti yang telah saya jelaskan di awal, bahwa report text ini memuat sederhana fakta berdasarkan penelitian. Jadi itu memang benar, laporannya itu berdasarkan penelitian dan disajikan kepada masyarakat secara luas. Sedangkan untuk deskriptif itu menggambarkan atau menjelaskan sesuatu secara khusus, seperti itu. Nah, for more explanation, you can see in my video. This is the differences of report text and descriptive text. For the first is report text. Report the thing which we will discuss in the general. State the reality of the thing in the TV. The thing. Describe the aspect of the thing in the file, and it is a result of observation or analysis. Seperti yang sudah saya jelaskan, bahwa report text itu menjelaskan secara umum, sudah diobservasi and then for the descriptive text is describe the thing in particular and more specific. Jadi kan dia tuh descriptive text itu menjelaskannya secara lebih spesifik, seperti itu. Lalu and then identify the thing, describe the characteristic or the physics of the thing, and then it tells the factual foundation of the thing. Jadi perbedaannya antara report text dan descriptive adalah kalau report text itu describe something in general, and for the descriptive text is describe something in particular. Jadi report itu sudah dimuat berdasarkan fakta penelitian, kalau deskriptif itu hanya secara khusus, seperti itu teman-teman semuanya. Okay everyone, for more understanding with this material, I will give you some example of the report text. Okay, let's see for the text in my video. The title is jellyfish. So jellyfish show that is the title of the report text. Okay, for the first, what the kind of the report text? This is describe of, yes, that's right, describe animal. And for the first paragraph, jellyfish are not really fish, blah 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 blah. As I explained in this my first in the awal-awal, that in the paragraph 1 is show the general classification. General classification is always in the first paragraph, so that in the text jellyfish are not really fish until in fact they have the bones at all. This is show about the general classification. Okay, how about the description? Which paragraph is show about the description of the text jellyfish? If the first paragraph is the general classification, so that the next paragraph until the end paragraph is the description. So in this jellyfish text, for the paragraph 2, 3, and 4, this is the description. You can read the text in my video. Okay, this is the other example. For the first example is the text for the title is jellyfish, and the second example I will give you the text about heart. So the heart is yes, the title. Then you can see and you can read in the my video. The first paragraph is the general classification, the second, the third, and the last is description, something. Okay everyone, that's all my explanation and information about report text. I hope my video can help all of you. Thank you for watching everyone. See you in the next video. If you have any questions, you can contact me in the chat box or in my description video. Thank you, see you. Stay safe and keep healthy. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.